Hello, and welcome to drillingcontractor.org. I'm Kelly Ainsworth here at the 2015 IADC HSET conference. I'm here with Jason Wilson, Operational Integrity Manager at Transocean and a member of the IADC Operational Risk Management Task Force. How are you today, Jason?
Good, thank you.
And what are the key differences between process safety and operational risk management?
Well, when we got the Operational Risk Management Task Force together, one of the first areas we looked at was how we were going to call it, what phrase we were going to use. And process safety is a phrase that's been around for a long time. It's started to be used in our industry, but it's kind of being misused. And it has a specific meaning, and it is actually well defined. And it came from the chemical industry and tends to refer to a discrete process, looking at fire, explosions, and accidental chemical releases. We have a bunch of other hazards that could potentially affect our industry and drilling operations. So we felt that process safety was too confined, too constricted. It's still very important, but it's actually part of a larger group of hazards that we're dealing with. And we felt that operational risk management was a better way to define that group of hazards.
What is the process of implementing an ORM program?
What we've provided in the position paper is a framework for operational risk management. Many organizations that are existing today remain successful because they're managing those major hazards. They are already doing many of the things that are needed to be done. So what we've done in the document is try to identify where an organization may already have those, or where it can go to either improve on those or introduce new processes. So we've looked at what else IADC has been doing over the years at different conferences, publications, etc. And we've also looked at what some other organizations are already doing. So it wasn't a blank sheet of paper for us. It was looking outside of our industry, looking at chemical industry and other industries to say what good information is out there that our members could use to help develop the ORM framework.
What are the next steps for the IADC ORM task force?
So the position paper is nearly complete. We're just making some final revisions. That will be prepared and it will be submitted to the executive committee. I think there could be a couple of options. Certainly the paper will be published. The task force may stay together as a task force and then work on some guidelines. So a more detailed explanation of what can be done within the ORM agenda arena, or it could be that there's a new committee that's formed within, just to address ORM. So I think there's a number of different options once the position paper is completed and goes to the executive committee.
Thank you for joining us today, Jason. And thank you for joining us on drillingcontractor.org.